Studio and I'm going to say we have to link you know it.
Man, want to do some shifty movement, dog. You know, someone try to make money, you know, dog.
You know me, I say.
I go on, man.
You don't want to go to rob nobody no more, no, man.
I really thought me, yo, look at that, we have to do that. You said, watch my youth. So you take this off, dog. You say, nice. You say, nice, dog.
Are them thing there? A long time, man, want to go to the studio and man. It's like a go round thing, man, there for another.
I really thought, man. Like, I want to keep man so long, dog. I want to say, you want to make money and thing. You're not serious, man.
Some matter of fact, see him there come, give him a pre.
Yeah, man, real.
The good die, brother, me miss you so much. The good die, the good die.
Yo, I'm going, brother.
Yeah, no, go on, brother.
I don't know if you're going to link with my youth. Yeah, you look for your thing, you know what I mean?
John was star. So what we can reach now is studio, brother?
Yo, you know, say the studio link I'm gonna have. The man. I give the man some work. And the man I gotta tell me say him get robbed on 59th Street.
59?
The blood clot, yeah, say man.
Yes, I'm probably going there, no, dog. Shit, 59,
Yeah,
brother.
me no man.
Oh.
I wanna bring him to go over the studio, but because him have the link, it's like him a tell me say him get robbed and because of that now him dodge me. You see me? I know I can't even get, but I still a go around there, you see me and say, I want to get ready and get to a song together because I 10 G's. You see me? But we still a go, but that's the whole up, you see me? But the same time find them boy that will rob the link, a gunshot.
Dopey, what I say?
I'm going to want to look out, you know, because I really think, you know, my thing now I go send it, you see me?
I have to keep me out to make sure I see a strap, you know what I mean?
Alright, let's see a word.
Yo, some people make you know that. You know, some people make bumbo clot. My youth, yo, I must have to strap one thing, yo.
Nah, tell them, man.
How do you play this, my youth?
Yo, we don't know still. Yo,
I real talk, man. You can't go somewhere.
Yo. Meet me over Ghetto Shack.
Ghetto Shack?
Yeah, Ghetto Shack. Restaurant. 93rd Avenue.
Oh, I'll be there in like 2 minutes. Alright.
That's good, G.
Yeah, what? Or the restaurant thing.
Well, you know, we're putting it together. I just set up the menu.
Yeah.
And it's looking good, man. I got curry shrimp, shrimp Alfredo, pepper shrimp, shrimp pasta, curry crab, rice and peas, white rice, mac and cheese, oxtail, you know? Putting everything together.
Sound good. But you know, some more restaurant there, so over the chef thing, what about the chef thing?
I'm the hottest chef in Brooklyn right now, so competition, I don't have that, bro.
Alright, that's one year, isn't it? This is the business, and I said Friday.
Friday, definitely.
Alright, so I'm going to send out a blast for the people that know. Alright then. Hey, how you doing? You right? I was just wondering if you were able to pull that off. I know it must have been hard for you or whatever, but now we can finally be together, you know? Thank you. I'll see you in a few.
Get that money from Flix. I know you're nice now, right?
Get this money from Flix.
Give me more money from Flix.
Yo, Flix, I dodged me from money and that man tell you no man. What? Man,
Nah. Saw Flix like a week ago and he said that he's gonna look for you when he asked me where you at.
So, me I look for him. And now I said the phone, but him I look for me. That makes sense?
A lot of confusion, man. I realizing a lot of fucking confusion with y'all Jamaicans. So you ain't see
Nah,
that?
nobody with a Jamaican something like that.
Well, I gotta press the Jamaican situation.
Right now, that not make no sense. So what you tell him? What you tell him somebody?
I told him that you'd be at the diner every Thursday. Every fucking Thursday.
Just don't make no sense, bad man. Just don't make no sense, isn't it? But anyway, so the link, studio link, it a forward, so I believe when you ask me again, come tell you the same thing every time.
I'm gonna stop asking with that. Right?
Yeah.
I'll stop asking with that. Because I do only train people not getting a fucking blind when it comes to the music.
Alright, buddy.
Yo, mellz. I come picking up now, see? Right. I tell you about bringing people to my house.
Artist, boss, I know say I've been in the studio thing, you tell me. So, I might as well get acquainted because I hate to say, you know, she good. But what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get a bottle to celebrate because I hate to say. Same I feel.
So you know as a boss like you, may I pray from how long? Boss like you know how to get things done. I just feel like that. You know? Because you're rough. I'm a love man rough. That turn me on. I'm sure. Boss like you, you look so tense. You think you're gonna kill one nigga or gonna make me boss? Pussy?
Keisha from last night, me I call her. Answer the phone, no man. Everything good now, and I have to run no more. Done, him dead. Keisha.
Yo, that's a idiot thing that my youth. Man, we could set up ourselves some my youth.
Yo, I'm making page, D Melly.
Yeah, man, do that.
Yo, what kind of idiot thing that dog? You know, so the man, yo, a Greg lives that virgin. Yo, I know the man, they look for you in a virgin and a page you in a man. What kind of thing that, my lord? John knows. Alright.
catch up when me get the phone call, so my brother just pass away. Never know the day would come, life got shot by the gun. Some boy blood up and run, look how them text and drop big son. Could die young. Never know the day would come, life got